Hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Just doing a quick video about Paraiba and letting you know that there's huge growth here. I haven't done a video for about a week, but guys, as I've mentioned, you can potentially earn from the volume of the entire company. Okay, we have what we call a streamline system here, streamline system, and already in my personal streamline for the few weeks that I've been involved, the volume is 743,467 that I can earn from the downline in my streamline. Okay, a streamline is like a power line. It's a single straight line in the entire company, whereby if you lock in a position today, anyone who comes in tomorrow, the next day, and down the road from within the entire company, from the efforts of people who have been in the business for several weeks, several months already, you can benefit on those people that are coming in, okay? Because every single new person that comes in the company after you lock in a position today, you can potentially earn a percentage of the volume on all those people. Now, I currently have over 5,000 plus people, 5,531 people in my downline within the streamline. Okay, so the streamline is not based on my own personal efforts. I can just simply lock in a position. All right, first mover advantage. And this company is relatively new. It's been going on since October 2019, so it's already been around several months. It's not brand new, guys, but we are just starting to kick in the huge momentum, and we've also started to merge with a number of companies where the owner has reached out and made a joint venture and a relationship with these companies, and you're going to start to see 50,000 plus people being mirrored into this system, and that's why we're starting to see thousands of people coming in under us. So by locking in a position today, you can potentially earn a volume on the people that come in. All right, so let me explain how it works. First of all, in the weeks that I've been in, I'm putting a lot of effort into this. You can benefit from this. My own personal efforts. I've personally sponsored 112 people. My downline 240 people already. With 5,207 volume on my front line and $10,729 on my downline. Why does this benefit you? Guys, if you lock in a position today and you take massive action, you can get a percentage of my efforts, okay? And the people that are within my team. So, I'm going to continue to build this, and the new people that come in after you join today, you can benefit from that, okay? So, yeah, as you can see, the new updates from this new back office, it makes it really easy for us visually to see what's going on here. Okay, so I'm just loving this new system, new back office, and I'm able to really see on the screen here, and you can see that my team size is really starting to grow. This is all going into the streamline that you guys can potentially benefit on, and as more people get placed into the streamline. Okay, these are my efforts. This is my own personal team. This is not the streamline. But guys, for you guys, you're going to be looking at this and thinking, okay, the streamline is what you're going to be able to potentially earn on. Okay, within the streamline, I've got 5,531 people already under me in the streamline that I can potentially earn profit on. Okay, let me explain a little bit about the compensation plan. So you can join this business, Paraiba, for as little as $25, and you can earn on your own personal deposit. Okay, that's taking baby steps. That's taking small action. But the good news is you're locking in a position for life. There are no monthly fees. You don't have to worry about maintaining your position by having to spend more money monthly. You don't have to pay for product, all right, every single month like you do in other companies. So you lock in a position, all right, and then you take more action later on down the road, and gradually you can build up to a point where you can earn deeper into this compensation plan. Okay, that's how it works. That's the good thing. You're not pressured to keep maintaining your position in any way. Okay, so once you're locked in for life. My advice is to jump in now, today, lock in a position. All right, I would at least, certainly for the team builders, I would at least put in at least $100, because that will allow you to earn from the efforts of your own personal team. Okay, the people you personally sponsor and your downline, you can earn from the efforts of them. Okay, including matching bonuses and obviously earning from the deposits as well. And also, if you want to earn deeper into the compensation plan, and gradually you can do this by building your account up over time, and gradually you will do that. I'm sure you've done that in other programs and you've built it up over time. But for people who are coming in for at least $1,000, okay, personal investment of $1,000, and don't look at that as thinking I have to put that in now. You don't necessarily have to put that in now. Okay, you can build that up over time, and your own reinvestments, redeposits, your earnings from your team, you can gradually build that up. Okay. And by eventually getting to a point where you have your own personal deposit of $1,000 in the system, plus if you sponsor a handful of people who have put in collectively over $1,000, you'll be able to get into the first pool and earn a percentage of all the people that come into that pool from within the entire company. Okay, regardless of whether you sponsored them or not. Okay, that's where the streamline kicks in. So this is an exciting thing where you take one step now just to lock in a position. All right, and then down the road you have the opportunity to build that up because you decided to take first mover advantage and you got in quickly and you locked in a position. Down the road you'll be able to get into these pools, okay, and you'll be able to earn a percentage from these pools. And there are people who have built this up over the last few months who are earning $600 a day, over $1,000 a day or more already just by being in the last few months. Okay. Now, a little bit of background about the company, because I know what you're thinking. We don't know if this company is going to last down the road. All right. So the company is based in Hong Kong. It's absolutely registered in Hong Kong. You'll be able to come on the webinars. You'll be able to meet the owner. All right. And everything. This company has been set up for long term. All right, I like what they're doing within this company simply because I see the mistakes that have been made with other companies that have crashed and closed down, whereas this company has learned a lot from the mistakes that other companies have made, and they've put things in place that absolutely put this company at a very, very, very stable position. Okay, I'm not making any guarantees or promises. However, I'm saying that the mechanisms, the steps that this company has absolutely laid down in the beginning tells us a lot about how this company can potentially perform down the road. Such as, the traders that come on board. Obviously, the benefit to the traders is that they have a lot of money and a lot of volume to be working with in their trading. So you can earn from the efforts of the professional traders, so you don't have to do anything. It's a very hands-free system. However, the traders themselves have to put down the collateral because obviously there's potential drawdown, and but they have to put the collateral there up front in order to completely save the company. Okay, so in any trading or in any investment, there are risks and there are potential losses. But in this company, the traders themselves have to put money up front in order to cover the losses. Okay, that's what we're saying. So that puts the company at absolutely no risk whatsoever with those trades. Now, why would the traders themselves be prepared to do that? Well, because they know what they're doing. They're doing trades with this kind of volume every day anyway. Okay, and they want to be able to do these kind of trades. And have access to what we have here, okay, so that they can perform these trades. All right, they know what they're doing. They're professional traders, and they're prepared to do that because of the huge gain that they can earn. They get paid. When they make winning trades, or they get well paid, obviously. So that they have an interest to want to be able to do that, so that they can make these trades. All right. So, guys, the way this company is all set up, you can rest assured that our money is very much safe. The investment and the deposits that we've put into this company is very much in good hands, and the opportunity here has been very, very well thought out. And I like what the owner has put together here. You'll be able to meet the owner on the webinar. We do have a webinar coming up today. Which is, we're 23rd of May, 2020, and today, Saturday, our webinar will start at 1 p.m. UK time. Okay, 1 p.m. UK time. I think that's 9 a.m. Yeah, 9 a.m. New York time. Yeah, hold on a minute. Let me just make sure I've got that information correct. So let me just double check. So yeah, sorry, not 9 a.m. No, it's 8 a.m. New York time, 8 a.m. Eastern time in the United States. That's Saturday. And 1 p.m. UK time Saturday. We're talking about the 23rd of May. Okay, today. So looking forward to seeing you guys. See you on the. Hopefully, see many of you on the webinar. I'm not going to put the link to the webinar down below this this video. You have to get on board. Lock in a position, guys. You can lock in for free. You'll get 30 days just to give this a fair trial. Okay, but your account will be locked in for 30 days. If you choose to remain as a free member after 30 days, your account will be closed down. So you'll have 30 days to lock in a position. So lock in today, and then you can have a chance to look around. You'll be able to reach out to me, and I'll be able to give you the link to the webinar today. Okay, but give me plenty of time. Don't suddenly message me a few minutes before the webinar. It's going to be absolute panic. So you probably end up missing it. So give me plenty of time. So that you can get that. I'm not sure if the webinar will actually be recorded. We generally do not record the webinar. It just depends if someone has been able to get that webinar recorded. All right, but there's going to be a huge amount of people on the webinar, so my advice is to come live so you can even ask questions. It's always good to ask questions, guys. This is all about you doing your due diligence. We are very open and transparent and ready to answer questions to the members who have the questions to ask. But we'll be covering a lot in the webinar, so make sure that you come in and write notes, take notes down, and we look forward to working with you guys. This is a great opportunity to be involved in, and it's going to give you a chance to really build up something long term. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.